Welcome to Learn Polish Podcast, episode number 475, 475. You can find all our episodes on learnpolishpodcast.com. Find everything about me, scan the QR code, go to roycon.com. If you're looking for a virtual assistant, go to va.world. Or if you're working on your brain, go to braingym.fitness. Just check it out and let me know what you think. I'm joined by Marta. Cześć, Marta.
Cześć, Roy. Jak się masz?
Dzisiaj jest dobrze.
U mnie też. Jest okej. Jak widzisz, uśmiech na mojej twarzy zawsze.
Ja? Dokładnie. To jest ważne. I zawsze uśmieszysz się.
Tak, zawsze się uśmiecham. So yeah. Uśmiecham się. I'm smiling ponieważ dzisiaj rozmawiamy o domu. We are talking about home. Yeah, house. Basically, yes, we will be talking about houses. Yes, like different types of houses in Polish. Czy jesteś gotowy, Roy?
Jestem.
Okay, to zaczynamy. Dom. Easy word, which means home, house. Exactly. Okay, so one of the first example of houses, it's blok. Yeah. Basically, blok in Polish we call like block of flats. Yes, like smaller, like in English. Professionally, when you look at the dictionaries, it is like blok mieszkalny. Yeah, because mieszkanie basically means what does it mean? Like flat.
Apartment.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Apartment. Mieszkanie means like flat, tak? Mam mieszkanie. Or basically, mam dwa mieszkania. I wish. Yeah. So it's like I own, yes, I have like one flat or two flats. Okay. And basically block, as I said, block of flats. Then we have something like wieżowiec. Have you heard something like this, Roy?
Wieżowiec, no. I know what it looks like, but I didn't know the word, yeah. It's like, is it skyscraper? No?
Basically, when you will translate it, it's a good question. When you look at the dictionaries, they say that it's skyscraper. Could you read?
Skyscraper.
Yeah. But it's among us, it's not. I'm gonna explain why, okay? Wieżowce. Okay, basically, when you see this skyscrapers in Warsaw, we can say wieżowce. But we also will say, we will have another word for it. But when it comes to it, wieżowce usually are old. But like not old, but not modern, you know? Usually they are built of this, like let's say, of concrete slabs, yeah? Like not modern at all, wieżowce, yeah?
Are they kind of, well, I know the blocks that you showed previously was like communistic. Is this similar?
Yes, it is similar, yes, but these ones are higher, yes? Without no reason, I wrote it down that it's like plus 5 floors, yes? So usually wieżowce mają więcej niż 5 pięter, yeah? So more than 5 floors. Block, usually, when you look for a flat in Poland, yeah, there will be when it is when they say that it's block, usually it's like to 4 or 5 floors, yes, but wieżowiec is like more than 5 usually, and wieżowiec usually always wieżowiec ma windę, yes, like lift, exactly. Obviously now more and more coraz więcej bloków, tak, tych nowych, this modern, this new, even if there are 2 floors, they have a lift, yeah, But basically wieżowce zazwyczaj mają, tak? Bo 5 pięter to jest dużo. Mhm. Ty mieszkasz w bloku czy w wieżowcu?
Dom.
A, w domu!
Tak, tak.
Okej. Jest
Ale przed na blok też, ale
blokiem?
w Łodzi, bo dawno temu było wszystko szare, ale teraz jest,
Mhm.
wszystko ma piękny kolor i też
Mhm.
murals, nie wiem po polsku, ten murals, there's a lot of murals in Łódź and it looks beautiful on the side of a
Podobnie. Mural. Mhm.
mural.
Dużo,
Tak.
dużo. Rozumiem. Właśnie. I to jest to, o czym chciałabym z wami porozmawiać. In Polish, yeah, when we say that we live in a detached house, yeah, like when you live alone without neighbors, uh, then we call it dom or domek. Yes, probably you've heard, Roy, that for example we say mieszkam w domku, tak? Or w domku. W domu or w domku. Yeah? For example, gdzie mieszkasz? Sometimes when we want to say, when we want to ask detailedly, like in which kind of house you live, we just say directly, gdzie mieszkasz? Gdzie mieszkasz? Yeah? Mieszkam w bloku. Like yes, in the block of flats. Or w domu, or domku jednorodzinnym. Yeah? Like jednorodzinny, it's like one family can live. Yeah? Like direct meaning. Okay. The next type, yeah, of home, of house is semi-detached house. It is bliźniak. Yeah? Bliźniak. Bliźniak. And bliźniak also, you know, another meaning of this word, Roy?
Twins? No?
Yes, exactly, twin. Yeah, yes. Bliźniak, masculine. Bliźniaczka, feminine. Yeah. Mam brata bliźniaka, for example, yes? I have a like twin brother. Yeah. And the same when it comes to detached house. Szeregowiec or dom szeregowy. Exactly, terrace house. Here, it looks so Polish. I forgot that I can give you like typical English house, yes, which is like terraced house. Szeregowiec or dom szeregowy, we can call it, yes, or dom szeregowy. Yeah. Have you heard somewhere or it's new for you?
No,
Okay.
Szeregowa się, tak, ale Irlandia moje dom było.
Okay.
Dom szeregowa.
Okay. Czyli mieszkałeś w takim domku. Okay.
Tak, i kiedy masz dom szeregówka, zawsze jest blisko ze sąsiad. You're close to the neighbors. Ale kiedy jest dom jeden, tak, detached house, like, ja rozmawiam z jedną osobą, ale reszty nie jest.
Tak, dokładnie. Sąsiad ze ścianą.
Powie, co to jest. Yeah.
Tak, dokładnie. Okay. I ostatni, jeden z, prawdopodobnie, drapacz chmur. Drapacz chmur. Okay?
And
So it is...
more is cloud as well or something, is it?
Exactly. It is funny. And yeah,
Skyscraper.
Yeah. And it is basically drapacz. Drapacz basically as a verb means to scratch. Yeah. And chmura means to like cloud. So we can translate it that these buildings like scratch the clouds somehow. Yeah. From this it comes. Yeah. And usually drapacz chmur, we call this modern like buildings, like in Warsaw, like in New York, yes, this typical skyscrapers. Yeah. Okay. And important vocabulary, ważne słownictwo, winda, lift or American elevator, piętro, which is floor, parter, ground floor, schody, stairs, or klatka schodowa, which is staircase. What I can tell you that as was in with the blok, we don't say blok mieszkalny, we just say blok. It is similar situation. We just say klatka without schodowa. like in English, staircase, yeah? When we say, oh, on czeka na klatce, yes? We don't say na klatce schodowej, yeah? Just klatce.
And like when you have tenement buildings,
Mm-hmm.
it is the klatka in the front entrance.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
I think I've heard of that. Yeah, okay.
Yes, basically, yes, exactly. Yeah, you're right, Roy. Okay. I to było wszystko. Dziękuję.
Dziękuję bardzo, Marta. So you can find all our episodes on learnpolishpodcast.com. You'll find everything about me. Scan the QR code, go to roycon.com. As mentioned at the start, and if you're looking for a virtual assistant, go to va.world. And you'll also find all the links for Marta if you're looking for lessons or listening to her TikTok, singing. Sure to give us a thumbs up, 5-star rating, share with your friends, and give comments as well. You'll find it on the learnpolishpodcast.com. We've got all the details there. Until next week, dziękuję bardzo i do widzenia.
Dziękuję.